Why do we hiccups? Ever wondered why hiccups happen at the worst moments? You're about to crush that big presentation, and why do hiccups always attack when you least expect them? Hiccups are caused by your diaphragm, a muscle that helps you breathe, spasming uncontrollably. This sudden movement forces air out, causing your vocal cords to snap shut. And voila, hiccup! Oh, and the longest hiccup spree lasted 68 years. Imagine that. Next time you hiccup, just remember, it's your body's way of keeping things interesting. Like and follow for more quirky science facts.